today we talk about how can you send money on your Kraken app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go here, you go down here, click on Crack here, Crack here, just click on it down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on checkout Crack. It's going to take you to your Play Store here. So you just switch into open with you. So it's going to take a time here to take us to your Play Store. You install it here, this Crack Money Crypto in transfer here. So when you download it, and can you send from it money on your Kraken app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.